Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it on Thursday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And right now we have, I'll call it a sideways channel with a bearish twist. What do I mean by bearish twist? Well, yeah, the price is maintaining within the sideways channel, but there is these, the highs keep getting lower and lower. Now, don't get me wrong. Just because the highs keep getting lower and lower does not mean that it's guaranteed to fall to the downside of the pattern. There's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, so that's not what I'm saying. Now, would it be shocking to see this thing break down through the bottom of the channel, which is at 1275? No, that would not be shocking. But again, that's not a guarantee. There is simply no such thing as a for sure or as a guarantee in the market. And if you don't believe me, that's fine. I understand I'm some stranger on the internet. But find somebody you trust that uses charts, that understands charts, and ask them what their thoughts are about these decreasing lows like this, in an overall, downwards trend. And, get their thoughts on it, because I realize that maybe I'm just a stranger to you. But yeah, decreasing highs, not necessarily a good thing. However, you still got to give credit where credit's due. And once again, earlier on in the morning, although the price didn't quite hit it, the price did get near that green line there at 1275. And once again, that price actually held very nicely and produced a solid little bounce to the upside. Granted, the bounce was ultimately rejected by the trend line there. But the point there being is that 1275 has definitely proven to be quite an important area of support. In the event 1275 is broken, I'm not saying the price is headed straight down to 1180, but 1180-ish would be that next overall level of support. So 1275, 1180 as far as supports are concerned. Key levels of resistance, already have talked about the first one. The initial one being, the sooner the price can break up above that trend line, the better. In the event the price can get the trend line break, the next key level would be up here, which I've talked about many times, at $14.20. So yeah, things are looking a little bit shaky here, but there is still plenty of opportunity because the bulls are maintaining within that sideways channel. So we'll see if they can make a run and break through that trend line or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.